in the well-being of Nigeria. We as a people have some challenges. As a result of the resources that we have been producing, our environment has been contaminated and polluted by hydrocarbon. The IYC is using this medium to appeal to you to convey our message to Mr. President that the Ijaw land in the Niger Delta region needs complete remediation. We don't want to take the step that other people are taking, that until remediation is carried out before exploration and exploitation activities are going to be carried out. We want our production to be happening in our region while complete remediation of our area is taken care of. If that is not done, we might take the other step by telling the IOCs that if our places are not remediated, that activities of hydrocarbon activity should be shut down in our environment. Secondly, the 13% derivation that has been given to our oil-producing states with the state of things is not enough for us. As a pressure group, we are appealing to you to convey to Mr. President that it is high time he send an executive bill to the National Assembly to see how the 13% derivation should be increased to 50%, so that our resources that we are producing can also contribute meaningfully for the development of our state and our region as a people. Thirdly, we want our people to be completely incorporated into the affairs of things. Then, as an organization, today is IYC at 26. The Ijaw has a tradition, and the IYC and its organs have identified you as the Grassroots General of Ijaw Nation. And this flag that is before us portrays that identity and image that you are the Grassroots General of Ijaw Nation. And from today henceforth, you are known as the Grassroots General of Ijaw Nation. Thank you, and God bless you as we give this to you. Thank you very much, sir.
We are marking Ijaw Day, the Boro Day. So Boro Day is a national day for the Ijaw ethnic nationality. And, I feel happy that we still appreciate the contribution of the late man Ijaw Park. You're here this morning to present to me as a medium to transmit your message to Mr. President. I've heard your message, but I have an advice for you. Violence does not solve problem. That is the truth. We must all work together, join hands together to give ourselves that thing that we want. So I will appeal to you. Your message will be communicated or transmitted to Mr. President. Then while we're doing that, you must be law-abiding. There shouldn't be any vandalization of our oil line. It is not the white men that are coming to do it. It is not alien that are coming. It is you people here, our people. So we need to discourage ourselves from it. We need to encourage and support the government. When production is high, revenue will increase. Those demands that you're making will be met. The local government, the states will get more amenities. Job will be created. More money will be in your pocket. When you shout Asawana, you shout with strong voice, Asawana. So you see, all these things, they are changing, they work together. So I celebrate with you. I commend you for your peace loving. Continue to maintain peace. That is my own. I will not support anything that will bring any form of destruction to our economic resources. I will not support anybody that will bring any form of disgrace to this government or the federal government. I will not support that. What is important to us is everybody must work together, you, myself, and the people at the center, to give ourselves that thing that we desire. Better standard of living, better ecosystem, devoid of pollution and other things. We'll work together for it. It is not just one person's responsibility. I understand your politics, but I'm not going to dwell in that. I'm seeing you as a Ijaw group. I'm seeing you as people who are also fighting for the survival of our ethnic nationality. So continue, but do it and go about it in a way and manner that will not destroy what we all have as Ijaw. It's important. It's important. That is my advice.
You might